Good morning, ma'am. My name is Samadhan Piple, and today's my topic from core Java. And in that, my subject types of constructor in Java. So, constructor are special methods in class that are used to initialize object when they are created. There are several types of constructor in programming, including default constructor. A default constructor is a constructor that has no parameters, and it is used to initialize object with the default value. Then examples. What are the examples of default constructor? Public class person, private string name. Then we take private int age. Then public person. Then we take name is equal to unknown and age equal to 0. Then next type of constructor is that parameterized constructor. A parameterized constructor is a constructor that has one or more parameters. It is used to initialize objects with specific values. For example, public class person, private string name, private int age. And next method we have a public person, string name, int age. This dot name is equal to name and this dot age is equal to name. So this is the syntax of constructor that we take in a parameterized constructor. Next type is that copy constructor. A copy constructor is a constructor that creates a copy of an existing object. It is used to create a new object that is a copy of an existing object. For example, public class person, this is the method, and in that we take private name, then private age. And next method is that public person, this dot name is equal to author dot name. So these are stored in the name. Then this dot age is equal to author dot age. Next, private constructor. A private constructor is a constructor that is declared as private. It is used to prevent object from being created from outside the class. For example, public class singleton, private static singleton instance. Private singleton, public static singleton get instance. If instance equal to null, then we have to take instance is equal to new singleton. Then return instance. Then other type of constructor is that static constructor. Static constructor is a constructor that is declared as static. It is used to initialize a static variable. For example, public class, then private static int count. Then static count equal to 0. Then other type of method that we have taken in the constructor, public person or count plus plus. Then other types of constructors are delegated constructor. So what is meant by delegated constructor? A delegated constructor is a constructor that calls another constructor in the same class. For example, we have to take one method that person, and in that we take private name, private age. And another type is person, in that we take argument. So this dot name. Then public person, this unknown, and in bracket we take 0. So these are the inherited constructor. An inherited constructor is a constructor that is inherited from a superclass. And for example, we have to take public class animal and public animal string name. In that we print animal constructor call. Then another type of method is that public class then dog extends animal. So public dog string, and then we have to take super name. So conclusion is that constructors are used to initialize objects when they are created, and there are several types of constructors that can be used depending on the specific requirement of the class. So that's all about today's my topic, types of constructor in Java. Hope so you like my video. So thank you.